Hey guys, what's going on? It's Joy here with another unboxing product review. I'm super excited because it's a product that I've been wanting to try, and since it's a review, I might as well do it. So I have bags or beginning forms of bags under my left eye. My right eye is good, but my left eye is starting to get a little baggy. So, I know black doesn't crack, but I still have to maintain so, the elasticity stays together. And I found this beautiful TouchBeauty Essentials Sonic Eye device, and I got it in the mail. Thank you for sending this to me. And I am going to try this. So while we're unboxing for the first time, I noticed that there's no safety seal right here or on any side, so it kind of just comes like this. So let's go open this and see what else it has. Ooh, again, this is the Sonic Eye device, and it should like massage all of the wrinkles out of your eye. We're gonna use this, and I'm gonna use this every day, maybe once a day. Let me see if there's any specific directions on how to use this. It is battery operated, so that's pretty cool. These are the instructions it comes in. This is the English side. So pretty cool, pretty cool. It does take a battery, a AAA battery. It's the protector. So it goes on like this. So when you are taking it out of this plastic, just be careful. I like that it's sleek, it's lightweight, and this is where the battery goes. So I'm going to put my AAA battery in there, and the battery goes in like this. Very easy. And I'm just going to cover that back up. Very simple. Sonic Eye device, TouchBeauty Sonic Eye device. So I'm going to take it off. The tip looks really cool. It's supposed to be massaging, so let's see what happens, right? Oh, that's amazing. So basically, when you put it on your face, it automatically massages. So let's see. It reduces. Oh, that feels good. Oh, wow. That is really good. Oh, it's relaxing too. And warm. I feel a little warm. My eyes are closed because I'm feeling really good. It's like massaging. Ooh, and it's warm too. It's massaging my eye area. I'm just gonna go deeper. Oh, that's great. And you know what's so cool about this too? I'm just gonna take it down to my sinuses. You know what's cool about this? Oh wow, it stopped right away. It stops as soon as you take it off your face. That's really good. Let me do my other side, because you can't do one without the other. What I like about this is it's warm. It's warm. It's very warm. It feels really good. And if it's massaging under here, if there's any like mucus that you have built up, it's like relaxing the muscles in your eye. It's like a nice little vibration. It's not too intense. It's really cool. And it's so warm. You know, like when you're at the massage parlor or at a spa, and they put the warm stones on your face or your back. Well, they wanted to put the stones on your face, but they put the warm stones on your back or your feet. It feels like that, like underneath the eye. Like right now I have a massaging, sizzling sensation right by my nostril because I put it over there. So it feels like it's really moving things. I like this product. It's warm, exactly, reduces dark circles and puffiness around the eye. And we want to get the puffiness out of this eye. And it can be used for a facial massage, just like we said. And as we just discovered, it only starts working once you put it on your surface of your skin. And you know what's so cool about it? It's portable. So you can take this on trips. Like as soon as you can go back, like traveling again, You know, if you travel a lot or if you travel a little, if you're going really long distances, sometimes with staying up hours of the day or night that you're not used to staying up, you kind of need a quick release. I like this product, guys. I really do. Touch Beauty Essentials. Look at that. Touch Beauty Essentials. This is beautiful. I love it. Man, these are great. And then you kind of see your reflection a little bit. But I really like this. Oh, do you hear it? It feels so good. It feels so good. Let me try it over here. You know, you have to, oh, it feels so good. You have to relax the muscles in your whole face. So like I could do the whole face with this. And really it only needs, oh, and it's warm. I'm sorry, guys. I'm going to stop now. You guys should order this. I'm going to have the link to order this down in the description. It's very inexpensive. I think it was less than 15 bucks. And you know, it's like one of those things like, do you really need? I think you should. It's easy, portable, only takes a AAA battery, one AAA battery. And if you don't use it often, then it'll last long. And it's small, like you can put this in your carry-on bag or in your purse or in your pocket. You know, for guys, if you carry it in your back pocket, you can carry it, or you can carry it right here as a pen, maybe upside down. But like, it's definitely cool. Really quick me up. It's a really quick pick me up if you need to like get some relief or stress relief from under your eye. I like this, guys. So check out the link down below. You can order it off of Amazon. It's very inexpensive. And like I said, it's called Touch Beauty Essentials. I like it. The Sonic Eye Device. I love this. So order it. It's definitely a good buy. And I definitely will be using this. And I'll chart the progress of how my eye is doing. The packaging is cool. You know, I would have liked to have it safety sealed, but whatever. It's still cool. I liked it. So try it out, guys. Touch Beauty Essentials.